Hello बच्चों, today we are going to solve the model paper for session ending exam class 5 English. The first section. When they are in the water, they dive and flap their wings. They are great swimmers and have thick layers of fat to protect them from the bitter cold. Even in their freezing cold conditions, penguins still have to watch out for attackers such as killer whales and seals. So here is the passage. Read the passage very carefully and then find the answer from the passage itself. Let's start the questions. Where do penguins live? You can see in the first line, around the South Pole and the continent of Antarctica. So you'll mark it as number 1. You'll write down the answer. Penguins live in around the South Pole and the continent of Antarctica. Can penguins fly? Do they fly? The question is, so here it is written, none of them can fly. So you will write no, the penguins cannot fly. No, the penguins cannot fly. Next question is, what is the largest penguin called? So here's the answer. The largest penguin is called the emperor penguin. You'll mark it from here. The largest penguin is called the emperor penguin. That's it. So mark is a 3. This is the third answer. Why do penguins mostly spend their time underwater? Penguins spend as much as 75% of the time underwater searching for food in the ocean. So you will mark it from here. Searching for food in the ocean. So you will write penguins mostly spend their time underwater searching for food in the ocean. Next question is, name the attackers of penguin. Here is the answer. Killer whales and seals. So we got all the answers from the passage itself. हमें सभी answers passage में मिल जाएंगे. There is no need to write it down from your side. Coming to the second part of writing, prose and poetry, we have few questions and we have to write down the answer of these questions. Why did the captain send the men to the land? You can write down the answer. The captain sent the man to the land in search of water. The captain sent the man in search of water. Here send will change to sent, S-E-N-T. Next question is, what are the things that the people carry with them while moving around? So first of all, write down from the question, the people carry with them purse, bag, umbrella, and water bottle while moving around. Next question is, why did the Ningdu want to choose a future king? Ningdu, the want will change to wanted. So you will write, Nindu wanted to choose a future king because his children were grew up and he had spent a long time as a king. So first you will write down from the question itself, Nindu wanted to choose a future king because his children were grew up and he had spent a long time as a king. In the section of grammar, we have a question, punctuate the following sentences. So we have to punctuate the given sentences. कैसे punctuation करेंगे? जैसे कि हम जानते हैं, the first letter of any sentence should be capital, so N should be capital. Next Wednesday, my sister Rita, it is a noun, so first letter is capital, is going to join the State Bank of India, so S should be capital. I should be capital for India as it is the name of the country. And do not forget to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Next one. Was not Ravi born on 14th April? So W should be capital. Was not. It must be written like this, comma, T. R should be capital for Ravi. When born on 14th April, A should be capital. And it is a question, so do not forget to put a question mark at the end. You have to write two words ending in less. So you can choose any word. Careless, endless. Less should be there at the end. Next question is underline no word in each. So here is nobody. So nobody is the word showing no. And here never. Radha is never late. So never is the word showing no. Next question is change the gender. Grandmother, grandfather. Lion, lioness. Next question is to write down the full form of won't. It is will not. Aren't. It is are not. Next section is creative writing. Write the answer in about 50 words. What kind of child was Sana Tombi? Or write a detailed character sketch of Malu Bhalu. So you have to choose one question and attempt only one. या तो आप सना तोम्बी के बारे में लिखेंगे, either you can write about Malu Bhalu. Okay, so let us write about Malu Bhalu. Malu Bhalu was a female bear. She was white in color. In color. She liked to learn various things. She was young and clever to learn new things. So you can write she was young and clever. She was smart, hardworking and fearless. So you can write 5 lines and 5 marks. Coming to the next section of spelling, the first question is fill in the blanks with missing letters. So what is the first word? This is beautiful. So you have to spell it very correctly. Beautiful. The second one is straight. Straight. The third word is afraid. 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 Question 10 is encircle the correct spelling. So which is the correct spelling? You have to encircle it. This one is correct. Friend. Friend. The word is correct. Next question is wonderful. Which is the correct spelling of wonderful? You have to circle. The first one is correct. So you will circle it out. Next is handwriting. You have to copy the words, copy the sentences in the given space and write. Last one is vocabulary. First question is give the opposites of. The first word is barren. So you have to write down the opposite of barren. It is fertile. बैरन का मतलब होता है ऐसा लैंड जिसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं उगता. सो द ऑपोजिट इज फर्टाइल. लेंड मतलब देना. टू लेंड, कुछ लेंड किया हमने. द ऑपोजिट इज बोरो. पनिश, पनिश करना किसी को. पार्डन, माफ कर देना. Write the words that rhyme with train. You can write brain, drain, boat. You have to give the rhyming of boat. It can be coat, it can be goat. So always write the word you know the correct spelling. लिखने से पहले हमें बहुत अच्छे से उसकी स्पेलिंग को लिख कर देख लेना चाहिए, उसके बाद लिखना चाहिए. So thank you so much. This was all about the paper. Keep watching the channel for the next question papers.